Okay, greetings everyone. My name is Gerard, editor-in-chief of NY.AVI magazine that stands for Soldiers Got Intentions. Believe that. And everyone should be soldiering for something. And owner of PBG's production, which is photos by Gerard, the best, and freelance publicity photographer. Well, right now we're in Brooklyn, the day after the snowstorm and what have you. But you know what? I'm going to tell you about some of the accomplishments or some of the things to look forward to in next year. I just got an offer to have my own club in Manhattan on 118th Street at a place called Milton's Place every Wednesday night. So look forward to that. But my biggest accomplishment, or my biggest achievement, or my biggest goal right now is to get out of this parking space. Because right now, as you can look and see, the car is kind of wedged in. But then I have this theory that since I'm on the corner, I'm able to zoom right out here. So my camera person is going to go across the street. We got 10 minutes, and let's see if I can get out of here. Remember, my name is Gerard. You can catch me at NY.AVI magazine at SGIBmagazine.com with an S. All right, so we're gonna do this. I'll talk to you later. Ciao. 10 minutes. Maybe I got this parking space. All right. No shoveling. Check the light. All right, it's not for me. Warm it up a little more. It's still red. Better buckle up. Biggest fear is fishtailing and hitting that pole. Here we go. Talk to you later. Peace.